Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your skin tone in videos using CapCut. So to do that is pretty simple. You just have to open up the CapCut project, then tap on the video where you would like to change your skin tone, and tap on retouch, which is going to be this option. Then tap on face, which is going to be the left one, and go to the retouch section on the left, and the skin tone is going to be right here, as you can see, the fourth option. And when you click on it, you can select any of these skin tones, and with these two sliders, as you can see, you can change your skin tone, you can increase the color as well. And as you can see, it's pretty smart because it changes the skin tone on the other parts of the body, so you can see the change on the finger as well, so it matches the whole body with the new skin tone. And obviously you can continue by adjusting other segments as well. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.